Baru, dia makin punya pelajar. Ya.
Aloha and welcome. Our group is from Falilatai, and tonight we're going to tell you, not to demonstrate, but to act, because we don't have stuff here to do it, but we are going to tell you how we make supuesi and vaisalo, and then we'll have a poem, a Samoan poem, yeah, supuesi, about supuesi, and then we'll do a song after.
So Bucky's gonna explain how to do Vaisalo in Samoa. Kana kulea Lucy in English.
Ya, kalau para dia oleh kura pam kana ingole Vaisalo. Dia oleh amakang oleh Vaisalo. Muanga makori mai niu, kipi mai rau niu, na mai rau niu oa, umanga oa, ka ere sua kongole apa pore ulo, umalonga ka ere sua kongole apa pore ulo, nga sali ai loa le kongu, nga saira io le rau niu, fai mai ia alava, fai kipi mai alava, nga mai io alava nga lo bawa ia le ango. Umolola inga baule ango le nga gele sai kong famama sai kong ole si ulo mama nga gele ia fakeki e lunga le umolola ia nga sai le kong ole sai ko fa kong lo mai lo ai lo yo para lau faftai.
So my friend here was talking about Vaisalo, the making of Vaisalo, and you guys all saw today, I think majority of you guys. So first of all, they will go climb the coconut trees, get some coconuts, bring some coconuts down, bring some coconut leaves down, bring it down, and then they'll crack the coconuts into half, and then they'll tip it in a bowl, big bowl, and then they scoop out the inside of the flesh of the coconut, and then they bring the coconut leaves and they rip it apart and bring the strong bits of the leaf, and then they make it into like into strings, straws, and then you bring in the flesh of the coconut and you squeeze it together to make it all nice and soft and mix around with the juice of the coconut. And then after that, after doing that, you pour it in another bowl and clean it, and you tip it into a pot, and then you boil it onto the stove, and then you wait for it to boil up, and then you put in the sago. And then you stir around and then you get your vaisalo. Thank you very much. So now Ross is gonna say out a poem for supuesi and some.
Supuesi, esero feres. Aso a popo esero lolo. Tau mafasili ona lele. Ya umau ngaus. O se tasine o tau mafasamo. Ia ai ia tu visi mai au te ro. Tofo nei roa e supois. Awai esero na feres. Mine vale protein male vitamin. O ka o vai sin. Ka masani lo ia. Ile va vai ona e vai.
So now I'm gonna sing a song about Oko Samoa.
Ano yung kofay ba?
Koko mai palangi o te le, toi masani, e se